Okay, we got a homemade John Deere. Look at this. Thank you, Jack and Holly Glasser. Let's check this little thing out. Look at this. Homemade John Deere. Hey, buddy, what do you think of that, huh? Is that pretty cool or what? Let's see.